Okay, let's turn the disposal on and get to diagnosing. Sounds like it's humming. That tells me that it's likely just jammed. You're going to want to go ahead and turn the switch back off to the disposal before you do any work on the disposal and before you burn the motor out. This disposal looks like it's a little rusty, so I'm going to treat it with some CLR.
Just poured some CLR down in there
below.
so that'll help.
I'm going to take my Allen key, which I'll put a photo on the screen, and I'm going to rock back and forth. You might have to put a little bit of muscle into it, but I wouldn't get too crazy because if it's really jammed, you're going to just want to replace it. If you crank too hard, you possibly cause a leak. Once the disposal is leaking from the base, it has to be replaced. So again, as I said, you can use your Allen key that comes with the disposal or a 1/4 inch SAE Allen key. Either one works just fine. They both fit perfectly into the center of the disposal there, right where that bevel is. And right there's your little red GFI switch. So if you're not getting any noise at all from the disposal, this little guy right here is probably the problem. So you're gonna wanna push that in. If that's not popped, then the disposal is just dead and it'll have to be replaced. But if that thing is popped out, you just push that little guy in. The disposal should start right back up. If it doesn't start right back up, it'll probably start humming again, at which case you'll just want to stick your Allen key or disposal key in the center there again and rock it back and forth until you free the motor and the blades up, and then go ahead and turn it back on. If it's still buzzing or humming, sorry guys, needs to be replaced. If not, you did a great job. Congratulations, you saved yourself a lot of money.